Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your one and only chubby princess, US-based blogger, Hotbox 237. Represent in any dimension. Any you watch it come. What na fufu travel, what na tapatula baby, what na tapatula chai pass. What na tapatula chai pass baby, what na guatama. See, I'm hot box there for any dimension. I say, even if I'm inside sofa, you dig me move up. My old picture 2010 hot box BC represent. I remain the one and only Ogbontio. No duplicate, no day. I welcome all my new subscribers for this house. Maybe they are first time for stumble into this house. And this house will gossip. Don't ask me question. We gossip all kinds of meet me for a table, but we we gossip all to see on social media. We want can over prognose my matter. I go bring you for the channel. You know something if you no man no. They will be born me na the day where strong person they will come my mommy. Yeah, because I strong head to tomorrow no day. At the start I tell na. Yeah, my people are back when I'm gonna watch this video to the end because a lot of things they don't go on for social media, you don't go on for a Queen platform, hence I don't try to explain for now wait till they play. But people don't carry me on hot box, we can't talk about them, can't talk about me. I don't come for crack una the coconut. But before I walk come to bring for this matter, wait to enter una hair you go for side berry hair. I don't tell us even a borrow it go giam. Yes, it go giam. As you call it, come up for Hot Box International, it go giam. I be international, I no be as I be international. Anyhow, I mean so anyhow I use to use it, I enter the country. I be see international. Yes. So una hair we go for berry hair, una go order una hair. I beg una my bitch. Why una dey so no? They swear for night. They don't swear for night. Tell you catch my one basically. They say basically I will deny you. No, I will deny you. Now December this is come. I can't make end of year party. I catch you so can baby. I go kick you. So I beg go for berry hair. Go order your hair. They start paying us small for December one reach. Because for that party, I go to snap any if no look good at the driving for outside. I don't say beat today for day. I hope so that they for the listing. When I go for MG International, it don't make a money probably be soft palava money transaction. You go sleep for your bed, you just call it, give all your information them. You give the number of the person how many money we show you. You give everything. You go send the information. Then you go send it the money through paper, through Cash App, through Venom, anything you want send the money for them. You don't care also they want Germany, America, Canada. Sending as long as that country use paper. If for Dubai, it is send the money and in a good rate. In a good rate, I be the one that I be to know say, hey, how you go send money? So I be the suffer for year, but thank God for our MG International. I say my one and only PCHS back up picking it. Say, una wait. And as I begin talk, things they don't happen for social media. And I want to start with my permanent content when I Ndive Sheila, aka Dirty Bet. I start with this content. I don't tell una for this channel. Say anytime I mount my camera, you come let's say what can guide me for back fright see me, you worry na worry. You the worry. Yes. Ndive Sheila, it don't always coach people for social media. It don't bring people that family for social media. It don't do all kinds of that every day he will be in a king Kong. Anything we talk on social media for you it be correct. It coach people. They say experience is the best teacher. If you don't experience something, you don't know how that person they feel. Now they understand. Yes. So it be the coach other people. It be the glad. It be the working money. The blue blackmailing for back. When bring person, if don't bring it some person in file, if the person contact pay him money. That's what it be do for social media. So it be give that kind of power, that kind of energy for coach people them. It be the coach anything we see for what every demand the coach champ, picking the coach champ, any my last the coach champ. So Sheila be do. It don't bring people that family house for social media, bring people that mommy them for social media because that people already coach them so that people that mommy them. You don't understand? You know, they feel the pain. So they don't come now, they touch it small, they don't touch the wrong person. They call it say Dorothy Agbo. So Dorothy Agbo now take care of somebody. Yeah, if you play police, they go for their house. It come for social media. It can talk say, if they born Beehive, they well. If they born Bridget Benjamin, well. If they born Ebo Big Five, they well. May they post that video. Then it go take the person go court my people. You know say Beehive they don't like the challenge. Yes, even say Beehive they don't like the challenge. Beehive they take upon themselves. Since I don't tell myself Beehive, then are fake unidentified human beings. They already under fake profile. Under fake profile. You go catch that one, you can go for court. They carry that Sheila, if I make a picture, and that video they put up for social media. We don't wait court case, we tire. Wait court case, we tire. I said, okay, but the Sheila don't always tell me for the channel, say, it always tell me, make me understand, say, it get right for coach any man. If you make that video, now go back for the last video then. You know, go for Lady B, go play for now. Say it get right for coach any man because Google or YouTube don't identify ye like a certified Congosa blogger. People they be believe. You know, say Sheila they so it know the way to manipulate people them. You know the way to blackmail. Now, if that it might be blackmail, so you know how to manipulate people. So all those is dumb head fool grandas them they believe. But not to tell now today. All those things Sheila be talk na pompori pom. But if not true, that means say me too I be certified blogger. And I don't believe one again at two. I don't even write on top because no get use. Now first one this, now second one this. That means say I be dual. I say dual certified. That means say no, my own are two. You don't understand? My own are two. I even like upside down. My own are two. That means if I coach any man now, I hope so una go take me direct put the same like Ndive Sheila. If I start misbehaving, una take me put like Ndive Sheila. But I can't for come make my beshla they understand. Not somebody house who the coach, who the talk through, who the learn. This paper where Google send them for you, na ya pin. This is they send you they don't monetize your channel. YouTube they send you pin where you feel use that for the collect your money. If you not put that pin after 4 months, add video the pass again for your channel. This one no na any certificate. This one where you not get any remove na money. But since as Ndive Sheila be take upon itself for social media for coach people, it can use this thing for fright tuna. Who be dirty bed? Who be Janja Moto? Who be Sam? Who be ye? Where YouTube, almighty YouTube recognize they give certificate of blogging. People don't be social media, they get 100,000 millions of subscribers. YouTube not differentiate them. Wait where YouTube go give if Ndive Sheila bring up for social media na silver medal. If it go send you this very kind paper, this very one, but they go put YouTube staff on top, then they put some thing for the like, you know where you win some cup, they'll put up for day. When you hit 1,000, when you hit 100K subscribers, YouTube they send you silver. If Ndive Sheila where you never even reach up to more, say up to 10,000 subscribers, it talks it be certified Congosa blogging. Then no, attire. So if I get this paper now, I fit talk when I say me too, I be certified bloggers. No, I don't be so dumb. I don't be so foolish. So I can't make a understand say. That's when Ndive Sheila they can't talk. He be convinced he lie he own mommy. He lie he own mommy. Why? Police them. They don't go. You know, Ndive Sheila take go open case for people the way they post in mommy video. So now they be go for the house. He go cash Dorothy Agbo, his sister. He send me the videotape Dorothy Agbo, his sister to where the back. So I can put up for social media. Forgot for no say he own big sister Ndive Fanny. Ndive who I don't forget that name. He own big sister. Because she know for social media. Whole cup Ndive Sheila he cup and beignet. He chop and say Grand Ndive. But if he pretend for front police then say wait say no to a big is small sister they do for social media. What I not blame me because boya na play all school they even invest in a boya. But since as you no go school or you be go school you decide for pick na pennies. Ndive Sheila when na crook, manipulator, thieves, na thief, man. He manipulate your mommy na be na teacher, primary be the teach picking them. He manipulate and show them this certificate na YouTube give me the coach people them. My people. Police don't go start. I tell una now, as I talk una for now so police them take Ndive Sheila a big sister and a mommy. Second time. Why you no can tell una? Because Ndive Sheila be don't like if family say it don't crown me like a queen for YouTube. YouTube don't crown me like a queen. But people now wait. When I feel really believe say YouTube fit crown Ndive Sheila when nobody get I don't know if you talk for them because the thing it really pass it baffle me. When you stand Ndive Sheila for some place to say YouTube, almighty YouTube. He crowned Ndive Sheila. People with million subscribers. So police people they now say his sister Big Bo for stand na kitchen say my sister na queen of YouTube. How stupid are you? How stupid are you? Oh, I don't like for coach for their family. Eh? I did look at Ndive Sheila. I die for your matter because you be very manipulative. You did manipulate your big sister. I am mommy them say YouTube recognize you. But for this life, a common sense so it be very important. Eh? But it's not common. Because as if a man owe the gay grey head, it get wisdom. I don't know why the person will understand, but I know the Android generation, man, over question now. So my people, I don't pack Ndive Sheila without Ndive Sheila the lie when I say be satisfied. So they be said about Ndive Sheila and this every big boutique, we can't be call dope here our queen be talk say, you know, we ever know Ndive Sheila the lie so. Say Ndive Sheila be just they give certificate. He call Ndive Sheila say now which certificate they give Ndive Sheila the join at the pin where they give all YouTuber them. So I don't know who say certified Kongosa blogger come out. I pack that one keep am. Yes, my people, wait to bring me for this house. Now this St. Augustine. So start I mount my camera, I start blog my blogging at the camp. He always on my platform. He coach me. I said no, na so that so normal YouTube, normal person where they normally get the fan with the spawn and Ndive Sheila they coach me. So he coach me. I didn't always respond. I be starting responding, but I leave am. So I say now, person when enter I drop video in the day. Okay, I want be so number call me. He write me, no number be write me. He say, where I rock a lie, say I get green card, who I no great green card, yeah, I'm done, he start talk. He call me for, I say, he call me for video call, he call me, he see place where I stay. He claim say no na my house. I no come for debunk anything. Me a big pass all those rubbish. Yes, I be ogbonto. A big pass all those things. So it drag so me and you coach, I send message. I don't know if you play, I go send out my colleague made the player for now. I send message for you, who coach for first time and you know talk again for me. It's that limit. I tell you who they behind that profile. I call some game every work about Mexico. I don't tell una say me. I be tapachula type pass babes. Una act and fine. Any man you come and he go know me for road. He go know me. I know they hide myself. I be very popular. But if up to this moment, whenever you bring out some genuine thing I say I do for Mexico, that means una the form story. Okay. Some people they know me, they can't tell this woman about me. And the who know me now some girl worker where they get if I don't want to drag that picking for social media, but I don't promise it, like I go jaga with ye. Yes, I go jaga with ye. It them, he go think I contact the picking and say 1 year auntie because they are family friend 1 year. He give me uncle like it's been for social media. That woman limit, you know, become my inbox again, you know, be right under my YouTube again. And the go pass for Tyra is show the woman the call for the it under the Tyra is show fake profile the talk say na me if right under St. Augustine so say our call na pull number our call the number the right so person na call after person call because I over get sense see I over wise I wise so we but look full on my camera that woman call. But St. Augustine so it is still right. He called, he talk about me. They know the funniest thing. He use na a name for a boyfriend when we bring her from Cameroon. From America. The boy can abandon me. He use na the boy in name be talking for my name. Saying a scam where I follow her for road. He talk all those things and so he pass. He work about each platform that he talk about me. I'll be very happy. Because since I don't talk, say I like publicity. I like I mean they know me. I like those type of put them. I believe you know sometimes say I want to find some negative thing. I want to formulate some story, create some fake profile, send I go gander them. I tell that I'll be very transparent. So I'm gonna get thing for talk about me. Nothing about do now. I discuss with my board of director. They tell me say no hot box, leave him, be married woman, leave him. No do him. You will grow small. So when I see this woman, it start do all those things. So I will be very happy because it put the point to a wonderful do am. The woman talk at the call for show that the call for Ndive Sheila, they coach me, call the use like until they self they coach me. I laugh as I talk. I don't give a listening ear for anything. I watch you know Sunday. I can't talk about channel say some picking the woman work on Mexico as a good soul where I be it come for here, you know, be get no place for stay. I take that girl, my sister today. I talk about my channel, people they hell they call, they give their own help contribution. will solve that girl a problem. I want to see that girl, my instinct bad. Say I'm bad. I say for spiritual, you know, ever temper with me. People don't know they call strange number at start to their call, they take their money or they help that girl. But that day when that woman call me, he write me na write am. Say I be yes say no, he come na say talk say I got no man when he get that St. Augustine so account. I want to make you pay me $100. I go show you my way he get St. Augustine account. I look and laugh. I tell you say no, thank you very much, dear. I'll pass on everyone I see him. Thank you very much, dear. Me, I don't they already sort the woman a problem. He say okay. He say he talk again and say wait. He explain now for me say you know, me I be married woman, ma be, you know, look at the pastor here, ma be very careful for what they do, yam done, cassava ball, do it. Say no, she know for Delaware and Maryland, yeah, where they call my name, I laugh because me, I know be party type. I'm not a party type. I don't get friends, but I know plenty people. No one Saturday the person no call me from my friend Okumo, Mexico. Say na come for birthday for this side. Come for after the go right for Maryland. For go satisfy some particular people I don't that be helping me for my business for Mexico. Tell that woman right, I say I don't write. They say okay, I keep me quiet. The woman knows when I don't forget. Don't say when person are drunkard, it forget. Yes. Even though they talk that after every day we clear, I better we don't drink that they forget. It don't come back and write me now they cosh me. I said, he coach me with the coach. He coach me with the coach. He coach me. That is he reveal himself say he be St. Augustine. So I laugh. I said, don't ever play with my cerveau. But I do all this so I don't know me say he work I don't do and for hands a yoke. But he never do for dope Sierra. But since I see no somebody big 5 days so dope Sierra here hands they don't get problem. As granted and before they want do this thing, they don't use know for their place. I can't talk when they get a WhatsApp group una the arguments and the lie. No man in the time because only WhatsApp do me I be spirits. Una here I'm fine. I'll be there said because me I was standing on my full chest. I go tell you say me I be spirit. They don't plan for background to say they can set confusion amongst the big 5. So me now as I know that day I be over busy before work. I want to say don't say I don't send me some message. I want open messenger. I see that number. I hear that voice. I say, hey, because that woman be the call for platform them. I be record that voice of that platform them. Then I didn't know any platform where call. I know say na he the call and I tell me because I tell you say be St. Augustine so and I be so person. So type dopes send me that thing. I look am. I immediately write dopes. I tell you dopes. I beg. This is a game. I know this woman. I say what? I screenshot all what discussion now. I send them for you. Then I go open the woman because I don't block it. I go open it back and write it. I send that voice to for dopes. I send them back for you. Now for the it provoke. The same thing of hands and I want to look the same number. It send them back for the woman. For that night, I work on night shift. No, that I don't be the work. I don't come back work. I don't tired sleep. Me and that woman will start battling for 1 o'clock. We knock him for 1 o'clock. I give bumper to bumper. I call his name, say now he dey behind the fake people. I don't call it 2 names that he deny. I call his name or his name say Eveline Tabo. Now his name. This woman, I don't understand say what me hot box I be don't ever vaccine. Because it works the way we never use them for my platform and say it must stop for support Bridget Benjamin. It try for drag me away for Bridget Benjamin. Me I support the own play with the support. But since as I did not I need to support Bridget Benjamin, I need to support Ndive Sheila. Now for that woman always there for my back. It name come up like a drone where I not even be aware. If you see how God do it in them. This woman in name come up like a drone. Gonna better with hands they start vlog the woman. We don't know say now the woman that way they behind that fake profile. The woman because of that voice, it can write me as we know the query of that night. I say no, I get to stand up very tall. Now then I start do my investigation. I start send that voice to people them. Grand said the way they did all side. I send that voice. Now somebody say, hey, and no man will get that voice. I don't ever disclose your identity. Now they tell me say, now Eveline Tabo, it get that voice. It threaten me. Say, go teach me. He go do this. If the worker send my name them, I need to hide my name. My old Facebook account, it is for social media. With my old picture, they for a hijo, a poke, it is for day. I need to hide them. So this very woman go create Don't Clay account. He take my picking, he picture them. My papa, he picture them for 2009. He crop them. He send them for Queen Mother. Make Queen Mother use and coach me. I look at all those coaches. I laugh. I know even answer. I know what I can tell now for I laugh those coaches because I laugh all those insults. I leave at me, he die down. So this woman come again personally, still come in so one set confusion between the big five. The one that stand up and say no. And they give all those insults that tell you say you know something. Me, hot box, I go stand for you, call your name say Eveline Tabo. You don't go do me nothing. I mean nothing. I don't send you address. I don't send you fee. If you know so you be Eveline Tabo, you say you come for some occasion for new work. I need the occasion type. I need to go for person die place. I dey work 24/7, but I dey take some particular they are sending the address. Call me. Say basically ogbonto ade for ye. Grand say you know rich. Grand say I go. Grand say it dey say person wey tell you my story no tell you fine. Grand say it dey say person wey tell you about me. You know tell you fine. You know tell you say you match na wrong person. You know tell you say as you something dey climb for your head so my own double. I need drink. I need talk my own double. Ask that name they call say Beshkele. That kind of people they come up for bush side, they enter town. No how they decrease. Grand if they born well. Now me I call your name Eveline Tabo. Eveline Tabo. Now me I call your name. Do your worst. Eveline Tabo. Go for that address was set for you. Then you know. Whether you come up for this so your skin they fine. Whether you or tell you say I be tapatula chipers. When I'm up at the maker, I go dim. Say I'm gonna say I go. Say I'm no underestimate me. H na number. H grand say na number. Because you go rob. You don't bring my picking for social media. You don't bring my papa for social media. You don't bring my old picture for social media. Wait, I don't know you. You can't threaten me. You know rich. Grand say you know rich. I will repeat on my. I say you know rich. I can't answer your question. I can't give. Let me say the situation is selling for me now. I can't buy them for you. I don't buy them to tell you. Put the place. The more no. No na mop. We go pack motor then so. State book cameraman. Cameraman go start. I get my own cameraman. You get your own cameraman. No money divide them. Go stand for the that place for you know. You say it be vast now. It didn't now let house the day for fast so. House so I get that address. Because be Beshkele. I've no some kind thing for the America go happen. I know about make all this mama me the way you don't say my number for them. Now grants they get educated. The reason. Now grants they be educated. Now grants they know it's that reputation. They say my picking. I understand that grants them. I understand they give now part so that me I be more that get hurt. You say you try for blackmail that mommy them. Say they go cash hot box do this. And mommy they get reputation. But you way you know be you know value your own self. Now why you do all those things on social media? You talk say my picking of you ever do it to the do. My mother can never. My mommy never do social media. Never ever do it to do. Eveline Tabo. You ask them, I don't give you. Yes. The only time I wait for you, the next corner, I say, Beshkele, Ade Delawe. Beshkele, Ade Delawe. Then from there we'll continue. Then a media will start playing. Yes. Yes, my lovely people. I hope say I don't come to an end of this video. I want to make una like this video. Una share them. I know what they cost you for front camera. You know so that anytime I want cost you, I go up you back. The way I work that night shift. You know I caught you that night so till you run. I caught you that night so you turn so songo. My mommy, the SJ bar for Maryland, the SJ bar that sex and jump bar when I get a when I get a sex and jump bar for Maryland, I don't understand what the sex that the jump. Maryland say una kill me so. All the fan of Maryland una tell me that name na waiting and sex and waiting. Then na sex and jump. The body is in function. I don't know. But I did come Maryland. No. I did come Maryland on the 1st of September. I did Maryland. I was snap myself when I can't see me. When I come, basically, sex and jumba. See, when I look on me, when I look on me, this don't know me for the social media. It don't say, when I don't know me. Hey. Ogbonti don't come again with the other one. See, I did laugh and I saw a wo, a dirty, a jaga. Hi, no worry. I go send all my voice play on your own. Make them keep playing. I'm gonna hear Ogbonti the vibrate. Ogbonti, are you that? I said no, I must handle that dead war. Because they say no bad. I say they say no bad. If I don't handle the dead war, and I hand to hand. If I don't handle that, me don't like say they go use me play. But I don't want them to use me play for social media. I don't want them to use me play. So the one I joined them hold on one time. So by the time they'll bring up for social media. They'll bring up social media, they'll say no, Bonto. He represents the name. Tawagonu. Don't pense about that kind. Let me say Tawagonu. I my people about that like the video or that share them. Ma go to I don't be satisfied, Kogosa. Me, my own to be satisfied. I'm certified. Kogosa blogger. I know why yes, so that I say what box the code the visual name that say may do see may you be certified. I already certified. God to know me, I be certified. Even at 2,000 subscribers, I be certified. Child individual you dolo. You overdone. My belly, you overdone. Hey, basically, don't worry. I be certified blogger. Certified. So any man I caution would just say basically be certified blogger. Anybody can contact me, say advertise me. Yes, I bet now run go for Prince Marvin. That's why Cameroonian brother. That way you too will be certified. If they give you one, you don't monetize their channel. So I bet now run go for you go support my brother Prince Marvin. He do better job. Oh, I bet una send it for outside a beg. Now my brother that way he can tell him. Oh. We got 2 man beginning on this social media. Prince Marvin. I bet when I go surprise him. I love una very much. Back to back. I bet when I want to only born to no duplicate, no day. That me. Beshkele for town. Tapachula chai pass. Una relate? Yes.